Hi friends, this video shows how to fix issue back tap is not working. Double tap and triple tap are not working. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Go down. Select accessibility. Go to touch. Tap on touch. Go down. Here you can see back tap. Right now back tap is off. Tap on back tap. Then here you can see double tap and triple tap. Here I am going to enable double tap. I am going to fix that issue. Double tap. Tap on double tap. Then under system you can see list of options. From this list we need to select one option. Let me select flashlight. Done. So now I have enabled back tap. Now back tap will work. Let me go back. So if you check here, you can see now back tap is on. So similarly, if you want to fix this issue on triple tap, you can select triple tap here, then select one option from this list. Okay, that way we can fix that issue. Double tap and triple tap are not working. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please take it.